In this video, we will discuss the difference between HCF and LCM in a very simple and easy way. Let's find out the HCF and LCM of 12 and 18. First, we find the prime factors of both numbers. We already learned how to find them in our previous videos. So the prime factors of 12 are 2x, 2x, 3, and prime factors of 18 are 2x, 3x, 3. Circle the common factors. Here common factors are 2 and 3, and the remaining factors are non-common factors, which are also 2 and 3. To find HCF, take the product of all the common factors. So HCF is equal to 2x3, which is equal to 6. So HCF of 12 and 18 is equal to 6. Now to find LCM, multiply the product of common factors and the product of non-common factors. LCM is equal to 2x3 into 2x3. When we multiply them, we get 6 and 6. Now to get the final result, multiply 6 into 6, which makes 36. So LCM of 12 and 18 is equal to 36. If you like this short video, subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.